Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. Let's get things into gear. Forex. We're here to learn about Forex. You've heard about it, you've read about it, you've seen or also heard stories about it. Well, Forex is short for foreign exchange. It's short for foreign exchange. And it's done online. It's traded. Sorry, there's a term for it. It's traded online. Okay, before we get into things, let's start with the basic definition of what trading is. Trading is simply the buying and selling of goods, or the exchanging of one good for another. You might have not noticed, but then you trade on a daily basis. Let's say you buy bread. Let's say you buy bread. Okay, I'll try drawing this as a loaf of bread. Let's say you buy bread at the $2. Okay, let me fix this. Bread at $2. What you're doing is you're actually trading in $2 for bread. You're trading $2 for bread. So this will be what we call a pair. This will be what we call a pair. So it will be bread against $2. We have a product against price. This will give rise to what? Please follow me. It's very important to follow me. If you are busy, then you can replay the video when you are free. I need you to be with me on this one. Don't want to lose anyone. Like this information is a crucial part of your trading career, online trading career, if I may say. So these beginner lessons are what you have to grasp in order to understand the concepts which will follow. So I hope so far we're still together. It's a product against price. So you might have noticed that in this case, they have given you a price for your product, which in some way acts as a quotation. I hope we know what a quotation is. They give you a quotation for your product. They quote your product. So this means that we'll have something called a base and a quote. It's just like the bread and the $2. They are giving you a price for the base. A quote is a price for the base. It's base price. It's the price they are willing to give you for the base. A quote. So in a pair we'll have a base and we will also have a quote. I hope we are together. We have a base and a quote. A quote tells you the price of the base. A quote is base price. So I'll be repeating some things so that we get clarity. A quote is the price for a base, just like a quotation. When you ask for the price of clothes, car, property, they give you a quote. You go there and they give you a quote. They tell you, okay, this house is for sale at this price. So let's say you're going to buy a house. Let's say you're going to buy a house. Let's say this is your house. You're going to buy a house. They will give you a price. The moment they give you a price, we add a slash there. Let's just see. They'll say this house is $1 million. It's $1 million. So they have actually quoted the house is a base, and this price is a quote for your house, meaning it's quoting the base. Okay, then we're done with that, and let's go back to Forex. Remember, trading is the buying and selling of things. You buy or you sell. You buy or you sell. But in simple terms, buy or you sell, you exchange. And note one thing: when trading, when you buy something, you automatically sell the other thing. Let's go back to our bread. Our $2 bread. This is all hypothetical, so don't say how can bread be $2. So when you buy this bread, you're actually selling. When you buy this bread, you are actually selling $2 to your store owner or your cashier or shopkeeper. Let's just use shopkeeper. So when you buy this bread, you are selling this automatically, whether you like it or not. It's a fact. When you are buying the base, then you are selling the code. It's trading. So let's say right now the tables have turned. You are now the shopkeeper. What will be happening from your side is that you will be selling the bread to your customer and buying their money. I hope it makes sense so far. You will be selling the bread to your customer. You are selling the base. That means you're automatically buying the code. Remember, when you sell one, you automatically buy the other. When you buy one, you automatically sell the other. So this is trading. This was general trading. We have online trading. We have online trading. That was physical trading. Now we have online trading. We have CFDs, equities, options, commodities, indices. There are lots of things which can be traded online. People trade gold, people trade oil, people trade coffee, people trade stocks. There are many things. Then there's what we deal with, Forex. These things are all different. They can be traded in the same way because it's all online. We have Forex. This is what we will be sticking to, Forex. In the meantime, we won't be dealing with the others. We'll be dealing with Forex. So I hope you got that concept of trading in everyday life. So in Forex, we trade currency pairs. Let's go to the term currency. Currency is the form of money used in a specific country or region, because there are some regions like in the European Union, it's different countries using the same currency. So a currency, as I said, will be the form of money used in a particular country or region. So Forex is actually currency trading. We stick to currencies. We don't add commodities or indices or whatsoever which can be traded online. Note that there are many instruments that can be traded online, but then we stick to Forex. Our focus is on Forex. Our focus is mainly on Forex. So Forex, foreign exchange, it's currency trading. We exchange currencies. We trade currencies. It means that you buy and sell. I want you to see the link between online trading and physical trading. It means you buy and sell. So we have different currencies, but then I'll highlight the ones which are usually traded. We have the first one being the US dollar. It's a currency used in the United States. We have CAD or CAD. It's the Canadian dollar. It's used in Canada. We have the euro. It's used in the European Union. It's used by countries in the European Union. Germany, France. You can search about the currencies in the countries in the European Union. We have the Great British Pound, GBP. That's used by the United Kingdom, UK. We also have the CHF, it's the Swiss franc. We have AUD, it's the Australian dollar. It's used in Australia. We have NZD, that's the New Zealand dollar. It's used in New Zealand. Oh, and also the JPY. Almost forgot the JPY. That's the Japanese yen. It's used in Japan. So all these are currencies: USD, CAD, Euro, JPY, GBP, CHF, AUD, NZD. They are all currencies. So we are trading, right? We are trading, meaning we are exchanging currencies. It's foreign exchange. We deal with exchanging of currencies. Buying and selling of currencies. This will mean, like the bread scenario, will have a pair. And remember that a pair consists of a base and a code. So in this case, we will have what we call a currency pair. Pair means two. So currency pair means two currencies pegged against each other. So remember that for a currency resembles a country or region's economic, I can say, it shows its economic state. It resembles its economy, because currency is finance, economy is finance, so they go hand in glove. So USD will sort of show the economy for the United States, CAD for Canada, Euro for the European Union, JPY for Japan, GBP for United Kingdom, CHF for the Swiss, AUD for Australia, NZD for New Zealand. So I hope we're still together. Back to Forex. We saw the currencies. Now back to Forex. This means we will have what we call a currency pair, as I mentioned before. So the currency pairs, let's just pick a famous example. We will have the euro against the USD. This is just like the bread and money situation. This will be your base currency. This will be your code. Currency simply shows the price of this one. The code shows the price of base. It shows how much USD you will get per euro. It shows how much USD you will get per euro. So let's go back to euro USD. Remember, we deal with price. We deal with price right now because everything has to have a price. We deal with price. So this currency pair, since it has a base and a code, it means when you sell one, you'll be automatically buying the other. When you buy one, you automatically sell the other. When you buy this one, you automatically sell this one. And when you sell this one, you automatically buy this one. So there will be many factors which will lead you to either buying one or selling the other, or selling one and buying the other. There are fundamental factors and also technical factors. Fundamentals are usually news releases or news events of that particular currency's country or region, which will affect its stability or which will affect its strength or weakness. Those are fundamentals. Then technicals is simply how trade is, because we have a market, simply how traders are trading that currency based on various strategies or tools which they use to trade that currency. I hope we are still together. So what will happen now is that this base controls, I need you to follow me, this base controls the whole movement of the currency pair. I'll repeat this. The base controls the whole movement of this currency pair. We are still going to go to a demo account, so we can now. I just want you to get the textbook concept of how these things come about, so that you can understand when you are finally on the MetaTrader platform. I was saying the base controls the whole movement, meaning that a weak base will lead when a base is weak. When a base is weak, this means it will go down. We sell for a weak base. We sell. This means that the entire currency pair will go down. And the base might be weak on its own, or it might be weakened by the fact that the code is strong. You might find that the code at that particular moment in time is strong, which automatically weakens the base. or the base might just be weak. Even though the code is also weak, the base might be weaker than the code. So what will happen with the weak base is that the entire currency pair, will go down. As if you can remember, I said the base influences the whole currency pair. What happens to the base will happen to the whole currency pair. What happens to the base will happen to the entire currency pair. So a weak base will lead to the currency pair falling. A strong base will have the opposite effect. Strong base will lead to the entire currency pair rising. It might also be because of a weak code, or it's just simply the base strong. You'll get this as time goes on, because the base can be strong on its own. If it has fundamentals on news releases, it can just be strong. Although the code is also strong, the base happen to be stronger than the code. Therefore, it will rise, it will go up. So we have price. This brings us to price. We have price. This whole thing, since we were speaking about a code, that means there'll be price. There will be a price for this entire currency pair. You might find that the price is 1.06489, and you might ask yourself, why are there 5 digits after the decimal place, the decimal point? That's what we will be doing next. There's the price. Then we will also be dealing with the bid and ask, because when you go onto your broker, you might find that it's 10648106479. You might find that there are 2 prices for a single currency pair. So this is what we will be dealing with in the next video. You can post your questions where you don't understand, and the things that you might think I have missed, but then they have to be related to the topic we were dealing with in this video. You will ask questions based on things which are relevant to the topic. Even though they were not on the video, maybe you found it somewhere, then you need clarity. You are welcome to ask, but let it be relevant. Thank you.